Question number 2. Write down the question in your book. If 15 workers can build a wall in 48 hours, how many workers will be required to do the same work in 30 hours? काय दिलेलं आहे? एक भिंत बांधण्यासाठी 15 मजूर जर असतील तर 48 तासात ते काम पूर्ण करतात. आपल्याला या ठिकाणी 30 तासामध्ये काम पूर्ण करायचं आहे, तर आपल्याला किती मजूर लागतील? Here, if the number of workers increases, the time decreases, and if the number of workers decreases, time increases. Question number 2. Let the number of workers be x and the time required to build a wall be t. From example, there is inverse variation. There is inverse variation in number of workers, that is x, and time required to build the wall, that is t. And therefore we can write this as x inversely proportional to t. X equal to k upon t. Here k is constant, therefore x into t equal to k is the equation of variation. So what is given? When x equal to 15, t equal to 48. So put these values in the equation. It become 15 into 48 equal to k. Carry out the multiplication, then we get k equal to 720. Now the equation becomes x into t is equal to 720. This is the equation of variation. This is the equation of variation. X into t is equal to 720 is the equation of variation. Now what is given? When if we want to complete the work in 30 hours, we have to calculate number of workers. So t is given, that is 30, and we have to calculate x. So put this value in the equation. It becomes x into 30 is equal to 720. Therefore x is equal to 720 divided by 30. Therefore 0 0 cancel, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 7 minus 6 1, 3 4s are 12. X is equal to 24. So write down the answer. To complete the work in 30 hours, to complete the work in 30 hours, we we need 24 workers. Question number 3. Write down the question in your book. 120 bags of half-liter milk can be filled by a machine within 3 minutes. Find the time to fill such 1800 bags. म्हणजेच अर्धा लिटर दुधाच्या 120 पिशव्या मशीनच्या साहाय्याने भरण्यासाठी 3 मिनिटं लागतात. तर अशा आपल्याला 1800 पिशव्या भरायच्या आहेत, 1800 पिशव्या भरायच्या आहेत. तर आपल्याला किती वेळ लागेल? अशा प्रकारचे हे उदाहरण आहे. कोणत्या प्रकारचं चलन आहे यात? विच टाइप ऑफ व्हेरिएशन इज देअर? इट इज डायरेक्ट व्हेरिएशन. लेट अस स्टार्ट टू सॉल्व द एक्झाम्पल. Let consider number of bags let number of bags equal to x and time required to fill the bag equal to t. There is direct variation. Therefore, x directly proportional to t. Therefore, x equal to k into t. Here, k is the constant. Put the values when x equal to 120, t equal to 3. Therefore, 120 equal to k into 3. Therefore, k equal to 120 upon 3. Therefore, k equal to 40. Therefore, x upon t equal to 40 is the equation of variation. We have to calculate t when x equal to 1800. Put this value in the equation. Therefore, this become 1800 upon t is equal to 40. Carry out the calculation. 1800 upon 40 is equal to t. Therefore, t is equal to 0 0 cancel, 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. T is equal to 45. Write down the answer. Therefore, to fill 1800 bags we required 45 minutes. Question number 4. Write down the question in your book. A car with speed 60 km per hour takes 8 hours to travel some distance. What should be the increase in the speed if the same distance is to be covered in 7.5 hours? मराठीमध्ये उदाहरण समजून घ्या मित्रांनो. एका कारचा सरासरी वेग 60 किलोमीटर प्रति तास आहे. काही अंतर जाण्यासाठी या कारला 8 तास लागतात. जर तेच अंतर 7.5 तासामध्ये आपल्याला कापायचं असेल तर त्या कारचा सरासरी वेग किती वाढवावा लागेल? अशा प्रकारचं हे उदाहरण आहे. उदाहरण वाचल्यानंतर तुमच्या लक्षात आलं असेल की हे कोणत्या प्रकारचं व्हेरिएशन आहे. या ठिकाणी कारचा वेग वाढवला म्हणजे अंतर जाण्यासाठी लागणारा वेळ कसा आहे? कमी होतोय. आणि वेळ जर वाढत असेल तर कारचा वेग कमी होतोय. म्हणजे हे कसं आहे, व्यस्त चलनाचं उदाहरण आहे. दिस इज द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ इनवर्स व्हेरिएशन. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट टू सॉल्व द एक्झाम्पल. So x is equal to k upon y. Here k is the constant of variation. Therefore x into y is equal to k. So when x equal to 60, y equal to 8. So put this value in the equation. Therefore 60 into 8 is equal to k. Therefore k is equal to 8 6 are 48, 480 is the equation constant. Put this value in the equation. So it becomes x into y equal to 480. This is the equation of variation. Now what is given? We have to find out x when y is equal to 7.5 hours. So put this value in the equation. Therefore x into 7.5 is equal to 480. Carry out the calculations. Therefore x is equal to 480 divided by 7.5. Multiply numerator and denominator by 10. Therefore x is equal to 480 multiplied by 10 upon 7.5 multiplied by 10. Therefore x is equal to 480 into 10 upon 75. काय झालं या ठिकाणी? 10 ने गुणाकार केल्यामुळे दशांश चिन्ह पूर्णपणे पुढे सरकलं, झाले 75. भाग द्यायचा आहे. 5चा भाग देणार, 5 1 5, 2 उरले, 5 5 25. या ठिकाणी 5 सख 30, 5 7 35, 5 8 40, 5 9 45. 9चा भाग जाईल, 5 9 45. किती उरले? 3, 5 सख 30, 5 0 0, 960 upon 15. पुन्हा भाग द्यायचा आहे. 15चा 15 1 15, 15 सख 90, 15 चौक 60. किती आले? 64. x is equal to 64. So the speed must be 64 km per hour if we want to reach in 7.5 hours. Therefore increase in speed. New speed minus first speed. 64 minus 60, that is equal to 4 km per hour. Write down the answer. Speed should be increased. Increased by 4 km per hour.